Hello, this is Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and this is the second video in our series on medical malpractice. Today we're asking the question, who pays for medical malpractice? And obviously, if you have a medical malpractice claim, you were injured and you feel like it was medical malpractice and you don't make that claim, then you pay yourself. Either you individually pay for your own pain and suffering, your own medical bills, your own hospital bills, or else your insurance company does, whether it's some private company or whether it's some government company. But doctors carry their own insurance to cover for medical negligence. Everybody makes mistakes, even doctors, even hospitals, even nurses, and they carry insurance to cover that. Contrary to popular belief, those insurance premiums are not that excessive. They are affordable. In fact, I would wager on average they are less than what you pay for health premiums every year on average. Now, another myth we have to face in talking about who pays for medical malpractice is the myth that the lawyers are to blame for the high cost of medical malpractice. Number one, it's not that high because it's been falling recently. Numbers of claims have been falling, total amount of payouts have been falling, and so the thing is somewhat stabilized. But you might read in the press from time to time that premiums are so excessive that doctors are being driven out of business and localities are losing their doctors. Well, that's a myth, folks. It's just not happening. It's just not that way. A good way for a doctor to prevent medical malpractice claims is not to make any. Don't injure people. Don't kill people. Everybody makes mistakes, but that's what insurance is for. Now, finally, I would say that the idea that lawyers cause medical malpractice premiums to be as high as they are, that's also a myth. Lawyers actually, I would argue, prevent medical malpractice by making doctors more careful because they know what's going to happen if they injure somebody. Without that, without our tort system, without our jury trial system, the medical profession is left less careful. That would be my argument anyway. Hello, this is Darrell. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you or someone you know, someone you love, has been injured by an act of medical malpractice, at least you think it was medical malpractice, I'd love to talk with you about it. Call me right now for a free appointment or contact me on the web at the Get in Touch form at the bottom of this page. Now, in our next video, we'll be talking about why you should not feel guilty about suing your doctor for medical malpractice.